tumultuous journey that lasted more than 10 years and ended with his release from a high-security British jail, Julian Assange, the founder of WikiLeaks, has returned to Australia. His presence signals the end of protracted legal proceedings spanning years, sanctuary provided by the Ecuadorian embassy in London, and the threat of extradition to the United States. Since WikiLeaks released critical documents and diplomatic cables in 2010, Assange has been facing 18 criminal charges. This leak had a global impact and ignited a heated debate about openness and responsibility in the digital age. The following 10 WikiLeaks exposures rocked the world. Iraq War revelations. The world was upended in 2010 when WikiLeaks released confidential US military documents that exposed controversial methods and civilian losses from the Iraq War. International discussions on the morality of war and the necessity of openness in military operations were spurred by these discoveries. Guantanamo Bay Files. After records about Guantanamo Bay's activities were made public by WikiLeaks, there was a renewed focus on human rights violations and a general push for the closing of the facility due to the revelation of inmate abuse and legal issues. Afghan War Diary. The disclosure of the Afghan War Diary revealed previously unreported civilian deaths, stealth activities, and the Taliban's tenacity in the face of US pressure, offering previously unheard of insight into the intricacies of the Afghan conflict. Collateral Murder Video. A confidential video that WikiLeaks released showed a US Apache helicopter attack in Baghdad that claimed the lives of civilians, including journalists. Ethical discussions over engagement guidelines and openness in US military activities were sparked by this episode. NSA Watch on World Leader. WikiLeaks disclosures unveiled that the US NSA monitored private conversations between world leaders, including a climate strategy meeting between UN Secretary General Ban Ki-moon and Chancellor Angela Merkel. The leaked documents also revealed diplomatic cables where Israeli PM Netanyahu sought Italian PM Berlusconi's assistance in repairing relations with President Obama. The return of Julian Assange to Australia has reignited discussions about the rights of whistleblowers, government openness, and press freedom. His legal struggles have come to represent more general worries about civil rights in a time when digital information and monitoring rule the day. Critics claim that his indictment sets a dangerous precedent for free expression and attacks journalists and the public's rights to know. On the other hand, advocates present Assange as a champion of openness and responsibility in the political sphere, emphasizing the significant influence of WikiLeaks' revelations on international affairs and public consciousness.